I don't know. Can YouTube tell me exactly what have I done? This is like after 24 hours, I dropped my first video. Now it's still not going viral. I'm just getting four views, like four views after 24 hours. You can see that this is a problem that I've actually been talking and I still complain about this same app. I don't know, I want to grow, but they are actually making me lagging behind because I don't know what I've done. I see every other person trend in this app, YouTube, but it is a tough time for me. No, after all the struggles, after everything I tried to put in place, following algorithms and the rest, scheduling, but still, it's still an issue. Just four views. Is it not discouraging? Please, I don't know what people advise me to do in this app, but I'm actually facing a lot of things in this application called YouTube. If not, this is just 24 hours. Like, I don't know if this actually makes sense. This is 24 hours after initially I uploaded my video, which I was expecting that it should even be more than necessary. But just four, and even the four, I was the one that watched it. So if you're watching this one now, I don't know, maybe you just kindly try and share your own idea of what do you think is the best I can do for this particular one too, to also move forward because I don't just know. I'm tired and I'm fed up because you can't just keep trying, keep trying your best every day, every time. You try to put on camera in the front and try to record, but at the end of the day, you come out with nothing. No, it's kind of disheartening. It's kind of discouraging because all these struggles, all this suffering, all this editing and the rest, it's too much on us. Like I don't know what to do. Please, if this also comes up, if this also come up on your page and you watch it, your engagement will make it grow. As you all know, you just need to help me grow this because I'm tired and I don't want to lose my mind because of YouTube. I have a lot of things to do, but I just feel like every other person out there, they are coming on this space, set up camera on themselves, and they record, and it goes viral. People watch them, YouTube promote it, but when it comes to my own video, I get only my own view without other people's view. I felt like impacting on so many things to so many people, but I felt discouraged because of the low view, because of it, my videos not going viral and all of that. I don't just know what to do because I am tired. I am just tired. I don't know what to do. So if this come up on your page, please kindly engage on it so that at least it can actually boost it more. Just help me grow it. Grow with me, and I'm going to share my experiences with you, all my challenges, all my problem, everything I've faced on this platform. I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to give testimonies in every of my videos that I'm going to post here. So if this one also come across with you and you see it, kindly engage on it and tell me what exactly I need to do or what exactly I need to put in place to get the actual view that this video is supposed to get. So kindly engage, comment, then share me more likes, share me your comment or what you think I can actually do, and I'll try and follow as soon as possible. Till we meet again, let me leave this here and let's see how this one grows again. Thank you.